Ooh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, it's stuck. It's stuck. I want one of these. Like, look at that. Like, that's a crazy one. This one, too. That'd be crazy. I know. I have a feeling this is going to be a good one. Hashtag big meta. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, no. No. Ooh, baby. Who you watching? Majorviolation on the cam. Ooh. Sorry, I had to pull over to shoot that intro. But anyways, so in this video, we will be heading back to Game Cycle. You know, in the last video, if you haven't watched it, I went to an on-scene investigation at, you guessed it, hashtag middle of mall. You know that middle of mall stuff, you know. And you know, I seen a lot of infractions there. I seen a lot of good things. And for every infraction that rubbed me the wrong way, I dipped my hand in the water fountain at the mall, you know, in the middle of the mall, and I grabbed a quarter for every infraction. You know, if it was a major violation, you know, I may take 2 quarters. But anyways, I was trying to figure out what I was gonna do with these quarters, and I figured, well, hey, why don't we go to Game Cycle and play the Pokemon slots and see what we can get. It costs 50 cents to put them in this little vintage retro gumball machine, right? And then you crank it, and then it pops out 2 Pokemon cards. I tested it out once, and I got a holo card and just like a basic card, and they turned out to be worth more than I paid, you know, the 50 cents that I put in. If you ask me, I see no infraction there. Absolutely no infraction. Oh, and by the way, shout out Mad Maxi. Ooh. We got all that change, you know, that middle of the mall change right there, baby. You see that? No infractions here. But yeah, we're gonna crack open some Pokemon cards. Once again, shout out Maxi. All right, let's see what's in here. Oh, wrong door again. Every time, gets me every time. How's it going? I'm just gonna... You still got Pokemon cards in here? Alright, I'm gonna get a couple of them. Alright, let's check this out. I got the moolah. Alright, let's pull some of this out. Yo, once again, shout out Matt Maxi. The legend. The real clipper, you know, he be whipping up the dope edits in the lab. All right, so let's do this. All right, let's see what we get. That was an infraction right there. Too much elbow grease. Let's see what we got. Ooh. What? No way. But yeah, what's cool about this is when you do this, you have to turn in the the cardboard slips. I think that's pretty neat. All right, let's get 2 more. All right, so we got those. All right, let's see what we got. See if we have any major violations. I want one of these. Like, look at that. Like, that's a crazy one. This one too. That'd be crazy if I could get that. Ooh, what do we got? Let's see what we got here. Okay. Okay, not bad. Alright, let's dip back in the maxi bag again. Alrighty. Ooh, I think I got one of these. Nice. No infractions there. Alright, let's head back to the maxi bag. And let's crack some more. Crack it like that CBR 1000 double I throttle. You know, that no middle maw. Ooh. I have a feeling this is going to be a good one. I don't know, that tug, you can tell when it's, it doesn't want to let go. It's going to be a good one. Oh, no middle. No middle. Ooh, what'd I tell you? We pulled the Articuno. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Alright, let's head back to the maxi bag. Alrighty. Nice. Dude, I feel like I'm getting some good stuff. What do you think? I think I'm getting some good stuff. Alright, let's head back up to the maxi bag. Oh, no middle. No violations. Look at that champion. Look at that quality. Damn, we got ammo for days. We loaded up. We got that 50 round drum. You feel me? You know, big meta. Hashtag big meta. Oh no. 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 Alright, we gotta try the other one. We lost 2. That was a major infraction. Ooh, Hollow Staryu. And a Starly. What are the odds? Let's head back to the maxi bag. Ooh, I got the other. Dude, these cards are sick. Like, I feel like I'm getting good ones. Head back to the maxi bag. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We're running low. This one pulls way easier. Abuse. I don't even know what this is, but I like the art on it. And I think I have this dude's big brother. Head back to the maxi bag. Oh man, we only got enough for one more. And then we'll go try to see if we can get another one. Oh yeah. Yo, shout out Disco Face, man. I have a feeling Droopy would dig this. Heck yeah. Go follow Disco Face on Twitch. Really good content. If you like heavy metal, rap, gaming, yeah. All good content. Is there any way I can get 4 quarters back? I think the right side may have ran out.
Okay, I'll take a look.
But I attempted to, you know, just check it out one more time to see if it was out or if, you know, it was just messed up.
I'll take a look.
Dang, I forgot this game existed. I used to play that. Oh, wait, is it alright if I just get 4 more quarters? I could...
Quarters up here.
You are?
Has a bunch of quarters.
There's one back here?
So as you walk on the left, you'll see it as you walk in.
Hey, thank you. You know, we always gotta stop by the arcade and look around, you know. This ain't that middle of the mall. You know, that hashtag middle of the mall, you know, security right there, you know. Infraction, high speed infraction. Oh yeah, this place is lit. South Park on Big Meta, you feel me? South Park W's. Yeah, but I really want to push my streaming content, and I want it'd be nice if you guys could all follow me at the RealMetaRider on Twitch. I honestly want to be a streamer before, you know, a long form video. I'm always going to be pumping out videos, don't get me wrong, but my real passion really is with streaming. And you know, all the stuff that I'm doing in my videos, I'm doing in my streams too. So if you like the type of content that you see, you should definitely check out my streams. I don't really have a set schedule yet. I'm trying to figure that out, but I for sure got a special announcement. So on, let's see here, let me sit on here. So on either Thursday or Friday, I'll let you guys know the day of, I'm gonna be streaming, IRL streaming inside of the original 151 Pokemon store. And I'm gonna be opening an original 151 premium box in the store on stream live. Anybody, I mean anybody who follows my socials and tunes into the stream and is active will have the chance to win some Pokemon cards and a plushie. And the plushie's pretty dope. And if you don't like the plushie, you can always just like speak up, and you know, I can just on no middle, you know, straight up, you know, get like the Pokemon you want, you know what I mean? But on me, you know, it's easy. All you gotta do is just, you know, follow me on my socials, and then, you know, follow me on my socials, and then participate in the Twitch stream. And that's just leaving one comment is participating, you know. Following, that's, whoa, that was a major violation on Big Meta. But yeah, follow me on Twitch, please. It's so
He was. So.
All good?
Yeah, it was just jammed. It got all bumped up. So one of those, that's all it was.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Sorry. Whoa, the cards are good.
Yeah, I actually only got the outside.
Wow. No infractions. I see no infractions.
Maybe that was suspicious too.
Alright, thank you so much for that. Alrighty. Alright. We got 2 more in the bank. Ooh. Yo, a meow stick? That's fantastic. No middle of them all there. Nice. Alrighty. Last one. Let's get something good. You think we're gonna get something good? Last one. Whew. Whew. No middle to mall. On Big Meta, let this be a good one. Ah, I'm nervous. Whew. And it's a Strapador. And I'm a Reap. Nice. Alright, let's return these. Every time you pull them, you gotta return them. If you don't do it, that will be an infraction, which can result in a major violation, and we will have a problem. Wow. Look at that, boy. On Big Meta. On Big Meta. On Big Meta. Ooh, ooh. You see that? That's what that middle of the mall water fountain money gets you. Alright, let's put these babies back in the holster now. Oof. Alright. Thank you so much. And I found a Crown Zenith, and I found a original 151 premium. It was not easy.
Yeah, they're getting harder and harder to find.
Yeah, when I went to buy them, the person was like, "Man, I'm surprised this was even here." I was like, "Yeah, me too," because I went so many places.
Because they're winding down on production of them.
I heard that the pull rate on them was just insane. Like, yeah. Yeah, I heard it's one of the best, and that's why it's so hard. So when I see,
Snaps them up when we get them, they're gone immediately.
yeah, yeah. But yeah, I got a couple boxes I'm just sitting on to crack open here soon. I'm going to be opening some Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. But yeah, you have a nice day. Thank you for helping me out.
Yeah, no problem.
Oof, and just like that, we made off with the brick, you know, them bricks on Big Meta, you know, on that Big Meta. Alright. On Big Meta. But yeah, so yeah, I think that was pretty productive. I think we got a lot of good pulls. I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna check and see, you know, how much those are worth. You know, see if I made out more than $10, because I put $10 worth of that middle of the mall change in the machine and got all those holos out of it. I mean, it's a pretty good deal. You know, I had to have made more than at least $10, right? Like, if I did it my first time and I pulled 50, you know, I put 50 cents in and then ended up pulling that good also, you know, on no middle, you know. Hey, you can't stand there, that's an infraction.